Hi, how's it going? Today we're going to see how to use the bet creation feature on Bet365. Well, this is actually pretty simple. For example, let's suppose we have a game here and, well, right here we can see that this is the option. It's this one right here, okay? Just by clicking on it, we can activate it. But how do you use it in general? Well, it's very simple. Here, we're going to go to the sports section right here, okay? And here, in the sports section, we're going to click, and here we'll choose, for example, soccer. We select soccer here. And well, right here before us, we are presented with the highly functional and intuitive bet builder. From this very point, we are going to proceed by clicking directly on this interface, and upon doing so, we will be fully enabled to meticulously set and configure all the absolutely essential and necessary parameters that are required to comprehensively construct that personalized multiple bet, ensuring every detail is precisely as you desire. And well, that's basically how it works. It's pretty easy. And well, if this video helped you, please comment and subscribe.